This strategy has exploded across all trading channels. Traders are claiming it's super effective, but is that really true? I don't take anyone's word for it, I always test things myself. I've done a lot of research on this strategy and now I'm ready to show it to you. Just so you understand, for me, the ideal result is trades with 90+% profit. And now you'll see the entire process, from setting up the tools to executing the trades with all those exact settings. I'll be using a strategy based on two indicators, Williams and Keltner, on a 1-minute time frame. If you have a desire to grow in trading but you lack structure, direction, or just support, check out my Telegram channel. There you'll find a clear format, daily breakdowns, and tons of new strategies. If growing with intention is important to you, follow the link in the video description. Message me so I can add you to our Telegram channel. Alright, so let's set up the chart. Chart type candlestick, time frame 1 minute. Let's configure the Keltner channel first. These settings make the Keltner channel more sensitive to impulses and breakouts, perfect for trend-based trading. I'll adjust the visual style, remove unnecessary lines, and make the colors more saturated, easier to work with. Now I'll configure the second indicator, Williams, setting the period to 7. Indicators Williams and Keltner. Together they filter out false signals and help find reliable entry and exit points. Curated, better visibility. That's all we need. This setup gives a clear picture. Now comes the most important part, the trades. Okay, I'm opening a trade, as I like it, sell $500. Trade duration 3 minutes. Let's break it down. Keltner channel is a band-based indicator showing the normal price range. At this moment, the candle broke above the upper boundary and then closed back inside. This signals that price is overbought and a correction downward may follow. The Williams indicator shows how overbought or oversold the market is. A value above -20 indicates an overbought market. You can see on the chart that the Williams line rose above -20, then sharply turned downward, crossing back below -20. That's a signal that buyers are losing steam and the market is beginning to reverse downward. Price rarely stays beyond the Keltner boundaries for long. If the candle breaks out and returns, it's often a reversal signal. And on top of that, after a strong uptrend, a large red candle appears, which closes below the previous green one. This is called a bearish engulfing pattern. So here we've got three clear signals for a downward move. Price broke below Keltner channel, then re-entered, overbought warning. Williams dropped below -20, reversal confirmation. A strong bearish candle, start of correction. That's a high probability entry. Let's wait for the trade to close, $960 plus. Beautiful. No time to waste, let's keep going. Next trade, also a sell for $1,000. On the chart, the Williams indicator has entered the overbought zone above -20, then turned down and crossed below -20. A direct signal to sell. This shows that buyers are fading and a correction is likely. The price candle broke above the upper boundary of the Keltner channel, and the next candle opened lower and started falling. That tells us the price rose too high and a pullback is very likely. The market is overbought. Again, price exits the channel and returns, often leads to a reversal. So here are the signals again. Price jumped above the Keltner channel, then returned, reversal trigger. Williams turned downward from overbought. The candle shows a clear downward reversal. This trade is well reasoned and strong, and I think it's inevitable that it should yield profit. And waiting for the result, $1,920, just excellent. Notice 92% profit on this one. That's an amazing result. In my Telegram, I share my latest strategies and insights before and after each trade. It's not just about results, it's the whole process. From the idea to the post-trade analysis. It's the side of trading few people show. The real practical process with all the thoughts, doubts, and conclusions. So if you want to see trading not as a picture, but as a real job, I'll be waiting for you in my Telegram channel. So let's keep going. I'll slowly build it up. Looking at the chart, I see a solid opportunity, so I'm opening a sell for $1,500. Watch closely. Keltner channel shows price broke above the yellow upper boundary, and the next candle sharply reversed down, re-entering the channel. That's a clear overbought signal, likely followed by a downward correction. Williams line rose the zone above -20, overbought again. Then it reversed downward, crossing minus 20 from above. This confirms buyers are exhausted and now is a good time to sell. A series of red candles confirms the ongoing drop. So once again, three confirmations. Price back inside the Keltner range, Williams dropping below overbought, candles confirming the decline. It's a strong sell setup. Waiting for the trade closure, $2,880. I think it's quite amazing, and I'm pretty sure you would agree. Honestly, even I didn't expect the strategy to work this well, and that's exactly why I had to show you. So let's wrap up one final trade. I'm opening a sell for $2,000, expecting a very good profit. Look at the chart. Price has broken above the Keltner channel. That's already a signal of an overheated market. This often ends in a pullback, especially when a reversal candle forms. Then overbought condition is confirmed by price position above the channel. Williams line is also in the overbought zone, above minus 20. Then reverses down and crosses minus 20, a key signal. This indicates buyers are losing strength and a reversal is likely. All chart elements are aligned. My sell trade is justified and has a high chance of success. Everything is clearly visible. You see it too, right? Now let's wait for the final trade to close. $3,840. Excellent. Well, no wonder people are shouting about this strategy. As you saw, it actually worked pretty well for me. But before showing it to you, I understood it completely. I tested it, I studied it, and only then I presented it to you. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll personally reply to you for sure. Or even better, follow the link in the description of this video to join our Telegram channel. I'll add you to our channel where I break down strategies like this one on a daily basis, as well as I share my logic and give practical insights. I hope to see you there. This was Ronnie. Happy trading.